I have exactly 8 minutes left. That really like gives everything away, you know that?
Yeah, I see the red light with you.
Yeah.
Hi, I am on camera. How are you, Casey? I'm good.
So, how do you feel being caught on camera? Okay, did you get bit in the back of the ear?
Bit?
By a mosquito? Does it itch?
No.
There's a big bump.
Bump? Ah!
There's a bump.
There's a bump.
Oh, look, there's a bump. Oh, that's a bump, Kitty. Okay, I'll show you. Oh, it's still recording.
Is it really?
Oh, no.
Good everything. Remember to call him Melissa.
We called her hairy legs.
Yeah, it's still recording. Hi.
Oh. Why are you zipping it to me? I did not! Look, the Ben Carey.
My house.
The lady's house. Really does the brush.
It's over there, if you can see it. Casey's car? Kristen's car. Grass! On your butt. No grass on your butt. This is really fun, you know? I mean, you know?
Oh, God. You cracked all the roots. Throw it in a tree. We can play croquet. Give me that camera. No! It's already 2 minutes. Uh-oh. It's already like 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Do you want to watch it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do.